All right, good day everybody. Chuck Taylor here with the Tayton Brothers. We're out at 1200 Eleanor. If you remember a few months ago, we did a video when we were pretty much starting the project. We've done some demo and framed in a couple walls. And now, Project Eleanor is complete. See, we did some nice landscaping, a cedar front porch, a 5-panel front door with a little accent inset. And the big changes you'll see are going to be on the inside. Let's check it out. So in here we removed a wall and made a completely open concept. We added can lights. You have a nice 8-foot island here. Big pantry in the corner. Went with gold hardware throughout the house. Since most of the finish outs you see here is white, there's some gray, and then there's a little black. So we thought the gold would be a nice pop. Got a white oak engineered hardwood floor. One with all new Burris energy efficient windows. By the way, most of the product we try to source from local Austin vendors. 8-foot island, we used a dark Silestone countertop. So you see it has some nice veins. Got a little air switch there for your garbage disposal. Your range, vent hood, backsplash to the ceiling, dishwasher, some drawers. And then here's where we framed in one of the walls. It was actually an old dining area. So we moved the sliding glass door over and we framed this in to make a oversized laundry room, which I'll walk you in there in a second. I want to grab one of these topos here. A little warm outside. In the back, we built a 12 by 15 foot treated pine deck. And for the fence, we used a 3/4 inch cedar picket, and we did a double gate there. Since this house does not have a garage, we wanted to give someone the option to have some secure parking. Nice 5-panel barn door here. And again, your oversized laundry room has a window with a egress, plenty of space for a washer and dryer, and little storage and folding table. So that's your living area. As you can see, it's great for entertaining, great family space. You got the island and you got enough room for a dining set here. So now we'll go check out the bathrooms and the bedrooms. Turn it around, and then we'll check out the guest bathroom. In the guest bathroom, we used a light gray designer tile on the floor. Your cabinets are all soft close cabinets. In your Silestone in here, gold fixtures. And one cool thing we did with this one is we put Bluetooth speakers in. So you can play music while you're taking a shower, taking a bath, or anything else. We got a linen closet to the left, your AC closet here, which we did all new roof, all new inside, outside HVAC unit. This is your second bedroom here. A little bit more spacious. And then this is where we made one of the changes to the floor plan. So we framed in this wall, and actually right here you have a plug so you can hang your TV and not have wires hanging down. The 5-panel doors you see are solid core doors, so great for, you know, soundproof and, you know, standing the test of time. And this is what we would like to maybe deem as the woman's closet, since it's bigger. This is where we added on. Here is your original closet. Still plenty of size there. And the master bathroom. Getting gold fixtures. And here we decided to go with a stand-up shower. Just use my finger. Getting gold fixtures and a Bluetooth speaker. So that is the finished product of 1200 Eleanor Street here in East Austin. We have this live on the market, had a very active weekend with an open house. And we're excited for someone to call this place home. And we're ready to buy another property in Central Austin. If you know anybody that's looking to sell, give us a shout. And if you like what you're seeing, please be sure to hit that subscribe button below. We appreciate you watching, and we will see you on the next video.